In today's beginner's guide to makeup, I will show you how to create this universal eye makeup look. This look is great for day or night. You can mix up the colors or add drama with liner or lashes. The choice is yours. So let's get started. You want to begin every makeup look with a good primer. Choosing one with a concealer built in is great for covering discoloration and texture on the lid, creating a smooth, flawless base, and will really make your eyeshadows pop. Sweep it across your eye and set with your favorite powder. Take a blending brush and choose a neutral toned colored eyeshadow, something that is close to your foundation shade. Choosing a warmer tone will complement your skin tone and warm your complexion. Sweep the colour all over the lid and crease. It sets primer and it will help with blending later. This is optional, but it's a nice subtle trick that will really help your eyeshadows come together. Take an eyeshadow that is one shade darker. Using a natural hair blending brush, hold the brush at the end of the handle for less control and a lighter application. Start applying the eyeshadow on the area you can see when your eye is open, just above your crease. This is called your transition shade. It is the most important shade in the look because it creates a gradient in your eyeshadow and blends colours seamlessly together. Blend this colour back and forth across the crease of your eye. Once the colour is in place, you can start swirling your brush in circular motions to soften out the colour and blend it out to the brow bone. Taking a soft brown eyeshadow on the same brush and following the exact same application technique, but this time keep the colour closer to the crease. You don't want it to be as high as the last colour we used. Keep that gradient effect in mind. You will notice now that you're starting to layer colours and add dimensions. Take a dark brown matte eyeshadow on a pencil brush. These brushes are dense and pack on eyeshadow. Hold the brush close to the bristles for firm control. Sweep the colour down towards the lash line and halfway into the crease, creating a C shape. Now swap the brush for a blending brush with no additional product, holding the brush at the end of the handle. Start to lightly blend the eyeshadows together, and remember you have already applied the colour. This is simply just blending out any harsh lines, so don't stress out too much. Now you can leave it like this if you'd like, but if you want the outer corner to be a little bit deeper and smokier, take a darker brown eyeshadow and just dot this with the pencil brush and create a smaller C shape on the outer corner. And blend again. Just repeat the same process again, and you can keep going until you get it as dark or as smoky as you wish. Don't forget to bring the darker colours onto the lower lash line using your pencil brush. Once the colours are in place, take your blending brush and your transition shade and blend everything together. Now it's time to add a bit of highlight. Take a flat eyeshadow brush for your highlight. These are great for packing on eyeshadows. You can spray the brush with the setting spray for a smoother and glossier finish. Pat the colour onto the lid about halfway in. You can flip the brush up and blend it deep into the crease for a cleaner line. Grab your blending brush with no additional product and just very lightly pack the highlight and the dark eyeshadows together. Don't forget to take your highlight shade and also blend this on the brow bone, dragging it downwards to blend the whole look together. These are the basic steps to the look. You can finish off with liner in the waterline to open up the eyes and make them pop. You can choose a wing, mascara, lashes, whatever you feel is right for the occasion. I really hope you enjoyed this makeup lesson. If you try out this look, tag me. I would love to see your recreations. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!